Hey guys, welcome back to my Lifeyt. We're working on the Baja Beetle, getting the rear end in it, getting the motor mount on, and getting a peek at what it's going to look like. Stay tuned. just gonna slide the axle through and go from there. I gotta put our split sprocket holder on. And then our disc brake. To measure each end of this so you can set it straight. So we got our wheels welded up. And this one, we're gonna get these put on, set it down on the ground, and check out how our stance is. Alright guys, so I think that's all we got time for this week. As you can see, it's getting there. I am going to trim the fenders and move some stuff around, but the rear axle is mounted, and we do have the motor mount plate in there, sprocket, and brake caliper or brake rotor. This side I don't have a tire, so it's just sitting on a jack stand. But you can kind of get a idea of the stance. I am going to probably trim this fender up somehow. Not exactly sure on that yet, but I think I'm gonna do that and maybe make some wider fenders for it. I think that'd be kind of cool. And then same thing in the front. I'll probably end up trimming those up. I was trying to get an idea where the tire needs to be. But we'll be working on the front end in the next episode. And then we will probably switch back to finishing up mounting the motor and getting the chains ran and all of that. So, thanks for joining us this week, guys. If you want to check out the description below, there's a few links down there you should check out. If you want to find us on Facebook, we're at Lifeyt. On Instagram at MyLifeYT. Check us out. We also have a webpage. So we will see you in the next one.